how to recover deleted TikTok videos. So it's very simple to do. So what we can do is go to our TikTok, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and from here, go ahead and I'm going to delete a video and show you how to recover it. So I'm going to pick this one that I just uploaded. Go ahead and hit pause there. So let's say you go ahead and delete the video by clicking the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner here. You want to scroll all the way over until it says delete. Go ahead and delete it. We can hit delete, and it is important to know that it does say restore post within 30 days. So we're going to go ahead and hit delete. So now the video is deleted. So to go and recover that, go to your three lines at the top right-hand side. Go down to where it says settings and privacy. And from here, you want to go down to where it says content and display. Go find Activity Center. So under Activity Center, you have so many options, but you want to go where it says recently deleted. And so this is going to be where all of your posts are deleted. It does have that time frame there saying 30 days. That will go down and down and down. It will keep a live count. So it's important to know if you do want to recover something, you have to get it before that 30 days. So we can go ahead and click the post. Go ahead and hit restore. It will ask you to restore this post. Go ahead and hit restore. And now you see that it's gone. And now it's back into your regular posts and everything like that. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to recover deleted posts or videos on TikTok.